Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Well, today I would discuss the project which we have installed, the Gulberg Greens, Islamabad. Before going to detail and analysis of this project, I would request all of you that who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, and also please press on the bell icon so you can get all the notification. Well, let's discuss about the size of the project. The total modules, almost we have installed 40 kilowatt and Shine graphene, and similarly the inverters we have installed here 30 kilowatt Infini. So let's first tell you that this project is on a net metering. So first I would share with you the site, that is a GMC pharmacy. So let's see where the meter is installed. We call it a bidirectional meter. In this meter you can see both units, import and export. So let me tell you, if you have more export and less import, so you will be having a negative bill or credit bills. Okay, so here the same situation right now. Their solar modules are giving reverse generation. So let me see you another view. Let me share with you another view. So you can see there is a side view of the building. It's located in the commercial area Gulberg Green. So let me show you from some inside of this building, because as I earlier told, that is a commercial building, so I want to just share you from the inside as well. It's a very beautiful building. Means if you see, the design is beautiful. If you once you enter in the building, you can see it's basically emergency department where the patients can come inside when there is an emergency. You can see that there is a lift, there are all the lights and everything is on this solar system. So that was the overview of this building, which is located in the Gulberg Greens, Islamabad, GMC pharmacy. So let's discuss about the modules which we have installed here. The modules we have installed here is a graphene coated Shine 330. These modules are, you can see the quality. These are tier 1 A grade, having 25 years performance warranty and 10 years replacement warranty. If you see, that side is on a net metering, so we did follow all the procedures which are requirement by the NAPRA, all the SOPs. You can see that we have also installed here lighting arrestor as well. Let me show you the lighting arrestor as well. Here you can see, and you can see the panels. By the way, let me tell you, the angle we have given here is only 10 degree, but still the production or the output is outstanding. In the previous video I have also shared you the details about this graphene technology, how much these modules can give you more means the production as compared to normal modules. Let me brief you more about here the graphene models, the graphene modules. The graphene means the modules which are coated or a thin layer sort of a graphene which protects from the dust, and you can say the anti-dust, these modules, and even a dust repellent. In Pakistan we have a lot of dust, so if we use these modules, so you will be having a less maintenance. Here I would also like to tell you that Bright Brothers is one of the company in Pakistan which have introduced this technology, and also credit goes to the Bright Brothers that who brought this company in Pakistan, the Shine tier 1 company. Bright Brother was the first company who import these modules, who introduced these modules, this company Shine in Pakistan, and also the graphene modules. And our experiment means in the previous video I've already shown how you can get the maximum production from these graphene modules. Well, you can see the view. It's a beautiful view. It's located in the commercial area, but right now this Gulbarg Greens is going to be established very soon. You can see the installation we have done is state of the art. We have given a proper space. We did try to follow all the precautions. You can ask the question that why we have given the less angle here. The reason was the safety purpose, because it's almost the 5th or 6th floor the building. The height is very high. That's why we have given a less angle, god forbid in case of the strong winds. So the things would be damaged less, because even this structure can bear up to like a 130-140 kilometer air velocity per hour as well. The reason we have designed in this way, we have given a proper space for the ventilation and for the strong air as well. You can see, and we have done here each module with earthing as well. Separately means earthing. Let me tell you, we have done 2 boring here as well. One is for the DC and other is the AC, and we did check almost the 2 ohms resistance, which is supposed to be a very good resistance. And by the way, these are the procedures which are given by the NEPRA, but these are for our own safety, because if we do a proper earthing and if we do our proper everything, and if we do all the precautions, then definitely it would strengthen the system and also having a more life, because we are investing here for the rest of the 25 years. So we have to take each and every thing. There's the structure, you can say the 16 gauge structure. We have also designed the ladder as well, for in case if they want to wash the modules as well. So let's discuss about the inverters. Which type of the inverters we have installed. We have installed here Infini 10 kilowatt plus. It can maximum you can install the number of modules here on these modules 14.5 kilowatt. Here you can see the specifications. These modules these inverters basically are on-grid, hybrid and off-grid, and in the you can also net metering with these inverters as well. You can see here we have installed the not normal batteries, because the style was commercial, so we use here 600 ampere or Shoto cells, because you can get maximum the storage from these cells. Here you can see the 3 inverters we have used here in parallel. You can see, you can ask why you have installed 3, why you didn't use here 1 inverter. The reason, I always prefer decentralized solution. If you see my all installation, even 60 kilowatt, 120 kilowatt, even more than we are going to do 200 kilowatt, we always prefer decentralized solution. But that is my personal experience, that it has a better experience. And if one inverter has some issue, the other inverters or rest of the inverters will be working fine. You can see the brand of the batteries we have used here, the inverter. So let's see how much the generation these inverters have so much generated. If you see almost 60 kilowatt hours this inverter has generated, and right now this inverter is also giving back to the grid. It means the selling. You can see the brand we have used in Omega inverters, and similarly here as well. If you see right now, this is also giving reverse feed, almost 32 units, and also right now giving or you can say giving feedback to the grid. If you see the weather, it's almost partial cloudy, you can say the cloudy weather, but still these are giving a good generation and giving back to the grid. Here is a third inverter. If you see, we have installed very less panels by the way on this inverter, because we are going to increase the panels here as well. 30 units almost also generated this inverter as well. We did try to install properly, but you can give your suggestions how we can further improve. I personally believe there is always area of improvement, so you can give us comment. I really appreciate your feedback. If you see the breaker we have used here, 300 ampere for the cells, and we have also installed the DC breakers, Honda breakers. We have also installed the spare breakers, because we have to increase the modules here as well. The AC breaker Schneider 3-pole, and similarly the DC breaker on the third inverter as well. Keep it, remember, we always install the changeover on every side. The reason, if anything happens, with your inverter, so you can directly change over to the warp tab. So that was all the details about this site. If you like our video, please give us a comment. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.